Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Monday, December 1st, 2025. We'll cover notable movements across indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. U.S. indexes closed negatively today. The S&P 500 index finished at 6,814.65, down 34.43 points. The Dow 30 index dropped 427.9 points to 47,289.34, and the Nasdaq Composite Index decreased by 89.76 to 23,275.92. Despite these losses, all indexes are in a strong positive trend. Market breadth showed declines outweighing advances across the board, with the S&P 500 seeing 362 declines against 132 advances. Similarly, the Dow 30 had 21 losers to only 9 gainers. Despite a decline, market trends remain strongly positive. The S&P 500 experienced a week-to-date total return of minus 0.5%. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq stood out with a year-to-date return of over 20%. Despite one-day losses, the year-to-date performance demonstrated strong gains across all significant indexes. Today's sector leaders include energy, closing at 692.89, up 0.91%. Consumer cyclical, closing up 6 days straight, and technology contributed positively, maintaining a mixed positive trend. Consumer defensive and basic materials trailed others with minor losses, but displayed mixed trends. Utilities led the declines, falling 2.3% to 447.40. The industrials and healthcare sectors followed, both significantly down by more than 1.3%. Communication services, despite a strong trend, ended the day lower, continuing mixed sector performance trends. Thailand's iShares ETF led with a 1.8% gain, followed closely by Turkey up 1.5%, showing a breakout from a flat period. Malaysia and Indonesia ETFs also made upward strides, each gaining over 0.6%, indicating a strong upward trend. Thailand ETF achieved a weekly and monthly return of 1.86%. Turkey's ETF closely followed with a solid gain of 1.58%. Despite short-term gains, China's ETF maintains a robust 33.7% year-to-date return, showcasing differing market momentum across regions. In the tech sector, Apple closed at 283.10, gaining 4.25, marking a new all-time high with 6 consecutive upward closes. In contrast, Alphabet slid 5 to conclude at 315.12. Amazon saw a modest gain, ending the day at 233.88. Meta Platforms fell 7.8 to 640.87. Nvidia rose 2.92 to 179.92, showing mixed trends amid 3 days of flat movement.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 86,370.91, down 3,998.60 with a very strong negative trend. Ethereum is seeing a significant drop of 199 to 2,792.90, breaking downward after being flat for a few days. BNB shows strong negative moves, currently 823.75, down 51.91. Solana and Dogecoin both experience ongoing declines, with indicators of strong negative trends and some volatility. For returns, Bitcoin shows a week-to-date loss of 4.42%. Ethereum recorded a month-to-date decline of 6.65%, while BNB notably holds a positive year-to-date return of 17.51%. Meanwhile, Solana struggles with a year-to-date drop of 33.19%. Dogecoin heads towards a one-year low, marking a large 57.12% year-to-date decline.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar showed diverse movements against major world currencies today. Against the euro, it declined slightly with a current price of 0.8613, down by a small fraction. Meanwhile, the dollar gained ground versus the British pound, seeing an upward breakout after several days of stability, reaching 0.7568. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar saw a dip, continuing a 4-day downward progression, yet maintaining a strong long-term positive trend at 155.4820. Against the Swiss franc and Australian dollar, the dollar posted minor increases, exhibiting strong yet mixed trends, with current trading at 0.8047 and 1.5281 respectively.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.